Hey YouTube, this is 2011 Buick Lucerne CXL. We're changing the headlights. The whole assembly is quite a job. You have to remove the top part right here, which is this plastic piece. It's easy. You push those pins in and they pop out. That one right there. And then you got two bolts right in the bumper right here. You have to remove the splash shield and get in there, and that's what they look like, guys. They look different. That's on the inside is this one, okay? And basically this guy comes from the top and that guy goes on the bottom, basically like that. I'll show you. One like that, one goes on the bottom between the fender and the bumper, and the other one just a regular bolt, which is that guy right here. It bolts in the front right in here, okay? It bolts right there. There's a nut on the other side. It's welded to the fender. You bob that out, and then you just take a bunch of clips on the bottom, and you take those clips on the grill. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 on each side. You bob them out. You pull the bumper out, and you got one bolt. You got two bolts on top, one here and one here. They're both 10, and there's a 10 in here. So basically, here's what it is. On the light is like this. See it? That right there has a nut. Make sure you get that one. If the light doesn't want to come out, it's because it's attached this way. It attached this way, and that bolt on the other side of it. You pull that, and everything come out. Here's the harness down there. Everything is down there. So basically, that's what you need to do to pull that light out, and then you put the new one in. Same way you took the old one out. Simple, easy job, guys. I know I didn't show the process, but that's the best I can explain it. And from there should be an easy one. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.